Today we're going to go ahead and explore a Lucky Gift app and see how you can use it to win rewards every day. If that is something that you are interested, stay tuned. Hi, welcome back to Step Up Your Game Plan, or welcome if this is your first time. I'm Joanna and I upload videos on how to earn money from home or from your phone. So if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video every single day. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this app. I am currently in my Google Play Store, so this is what the logo to the app looks like. I will go ahead and put the link to this app in the description to this video, so you can be directed to it. And also, if I find the link to this app for Apple devices, I will go ahead and put that link as well. And if I don't, I'm so sorry. That's just how it is. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the app. We're gonna go ahead and look at the ratings. So it has been rated a 4.3 stars out of 5 stars, and it has been rated by 295 people. And of course, at the bottom of the review of the rating, you can find the review section. And if we scroll down at the bottom of the review section, you will find the developer contact information. So if you have any questions in regards to this app, any concerns, suggestions, or any problems in regards to this app, you can go ahead and take a look at the developer contact section, and you will always find either an email address, a website, or even a physical address, and that's where you can actually get in contact with the developers in case if you need any if you have any questions, any concerns or problems with the app. That's always there. And we're gonna scroll up and look at the images that they provide for us to help us get more to understand how you can use a Lucky Gift in order to win rewards and stuff. And we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the first image, and apparently they do have scratchers where you can match 3 symbols and win rewards. And the second option they do have a Lotto, so you pick your numbers and they reveal the winning number, and if you are the winner, then you will win either the money or the whatever it is that is the winning prize on the Lotto. And they do have a spinning wheel where you can earn tokens or you can earn money. So I guess there are 2 ways to earn with this app. Either you can earn tokens or money, and I guess you can use those to redeem as cash or gift cards, I want to say. And it shows the profile pictures of some people that have won prizes. Okay, so they do also have a raffle contest, I guess, where you can enter to win. Well, they do it monthly. That's what it says here, monthly raffle. Okay, so you can win money here. And these are the scratchers. They do have scratchers. You can also connect with your Facebook account and play from there. So yeah, and if you look at the bottom, we can see on the image they do have scratchers. And if you look at the bottom of the little phone, the image that they show there, they have raffle tickets, they have the spinning wheel, they have a Lotto, and then it says tokens. I guess you can earn tokens just by hitting that little box, I want to say. I'm not sure, but we're gonna go ahead and try to find out here once we read the about section and see if it explains a little bit more on how we can earn rewards with this app. And it says free to play, exciting scratcher, raffle, Lotto, and spin games and win big rewards. Lucky Gift offers a well-designed raffle, virtual lotto, cool scratch cards, and spin games to you with the chance to win big rewards every day. Lucky Gift is absolutely free for you to download and play with no sweepstakes or any in-app purchases. New games are available every day. Install now and you could be the next winner. Start your winning story in Lucky Gift with friends, compete with each other on the leaderboard, and enjoy playing. We wish you good luck on our risk-free daily lottery, Lucky Scratcher, raffle, and spinning wheel games. Lucky Gift features: win big prize and get rewards by match 3 winning symbols on scratchers. Enter your tickets and in the raffle game to win rewards. Play daily lotto to win big prizes. Be the lucky one to get bonus amongst today's players. Earn great rewards. Get instant gift cards from the top brands. Save up tokens to redeem big rewards. Opportunity to obtain gifts by playing games for fun. Enjoy games every day. Lotto results will be revealed at 7 p.m. Pacific time daily. New scratch cards will be unlocked at 12 a.m. Pacific time every day. Enter your tickets on raffle games. Discover exciting games and play with your friends for fun. Like Lucky Gift. Leave us a 5-star review, and all your feedback would be appreciated. For a new feature, introduction, or feedback request, please send us an email, and it provide you an email address right there where you can contact the developers. And it says, this application does not cost any real money. Google Inc. does not sponsor nor is in any way affiliated with Lucky Gift and or the sweepstakes prices. The brands represented are not sponsors of the rewards or affiliated with the companies. Okay, and it says what's new. Lucky Gift is a free game. It costs nothing to win big bug fix. Okay, and then it shows you more information about the app. And I'm always curious, I don't know if you guys are too, if you look at the bottom where it says app info and where it says released on November 13, 2019, I'm curious if that's the date that the app was released. Is that the date that the app was released, or what does that mean? I'm not sure. I'm curious to find out. So yeah, that's the app, and those are the steps on how you can earn rewards with this app. If you are interested in trying it out, don't hesitate to share your experience with us. If you have tried it or if you're going to try it, what do you think about it? Leave your comments in the section below this video, and let us know what you think about the app, or if you have had any experience with the app, or if you know anybody who have had any experience with this app. Let us know. Share the knowledge that you have with us. We appreciate it. That helps us understand a little bit more what this app is about. So if you have any knowledge, don't hesitate to share with us. And then also like this video if it was helpful to you. Share it with somebody if you think there's somebody that can use the information provided in this video. And then also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing and help us reach to our goal to 1,000 subscribers to start monetizing this channel, and I can do more giveaways for you guys. I have done a couple of giveaways now, and I'm doing another one for the month of March. If you want more details, go ahead and check out the description below this video. You will find more details in regards to the giveaway. And if you're not subscribed to this channel and you just bumped into this channel, thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video. And for those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much for watching this video. thank you for all of the comments and the likes that you guys leave. We really appreciate it. You guys are so positive, and you guys are always there commenting and liking this video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much, and until next time.